St. Xavier's College, a premier educational institution which came under attack by the ABVP, creating panic among teachers, students, and members of staff, is unacceptable and deserves to be condemned by one and all. The unruly, aggressive, abusive, and threatening behavior of a couple of students under the banner of ABVP, and the silence of the Chief Minister, who is also the Education Minister, on this episode for over 24 hours is questionably shocking. The CM should understand that the education is not only imbibing knowledge but imbibing discipline and molding the character of the youth of our state. I have observed the NSUI as a very neutral person under Naushad in Goa, taking up issues without resorting to disorderly behavior. The recent ABVP delegation, which met the Chief Minister in the middle of January, where he gave an audience promising to resolve educational issues, raises a question whether at this meeting he certainly indicated to push for the installation of this unethical council. I say unethical because reports suggest that the council elections were not fought on any banner having political affiliations, more so the ABVP. I hope and pray that the St. Xavier's management stands firm, acts in a way that will instill discipline, discourage students from behaving in an unruly manner. TMC demands that the meeting called before the SDM at MAPSA not be influenced by the ruling powers. In fact, the SDM should come out with strict orders to see that discipline is imbibed in educational institutions and no such occurrence takes place in any institution throughout the state.